Welcome to Jai Lifestyle. Today I will be speaking on the difference between active income and passive income. Active income is what? Till you are working, the money will come in your account. The day you are on a sick bed, the money will stop. It means till you are working, your money will come. And what is passive income? Passive income is that you have to do the hard work. You have to work, but you have to do the hard work only once. Once you do the hard work, then you create a team, and then your money will come into your account automatically because of the hard work. So you have to do the hard work only once and for lifetime. And what is the impact that makes in Jai Life in ads income and MLB income? In ads income, only if you watch the ads, you get income. MLB income is what? No need to watch ads. You have to just focus on your team, create a team. In ads income, what? If you direct watch ads and you also watch, you all will get income in your account. And what is MLB? You need to create a team, teach and train them your business. As soon as they learn their business, they will create a big team. What is ads income? You need to do the follow with your direct people. You have to request him, Baba, don't forget to watch the ads. But in MLB income, if your team increases, if you have trained them very well, you have told him to do each and everything, they have to just activate €18 package for lifetime, and then the life is set. What is the ads income? If you don't watch ads, no income will come. In passive income, if you are sleeping also, anyone in your group activates €18 or €40 MLB, the money will come in your account. When you are sleeping also, the money will come in your account. Why the money will come? Because you have helped your downline. The business what? The more you teach your downline, the money will come in your account. What is ad income? If you have 10 directs and 10 members, you will see the ad. You will get the income. Say you are getting €3 per month and 10 directs are there. So 3 into 10, €30 you will get plus yours, €30. But passive income is not that way. Your income will increase day by day. So say this month your team is around 300 this month, and all have activated €18. So you will get €300 per month this month. But as soon as in the next month, the €48 will be reserved for next month. In that what happens? As soon as the team members, so today is 300, next month maybe it can be 600 or 1000 also. And anyone activates that €48, any downline also euro is reserved for the next month. So that euro will be come in his account. So in €18 only €1 will come. In this €48 from 5 to 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4. This type of income you get in €48 package. What happens? Only in your ads income only you will get money from your direct members. And in passive income, you will get income from 1st to 7th level. Whoever activates the MLB. And what is the focus in ads income? It's only on focus on direct members. And what is the focus on MLB? MLB is focused on your team members from 1st level to 7th level. So in ads income, only if you watch ads, you will get income. In passive income, if you have helped your people more and more, the more you help the person, the money will come in your account. So go on helping people and your income will increase in your account. So in MLB you just need to create more and more team. The more you create a team, the more income will come in your account.